Alright guys, welcome back. Let us continue our work regarding different types of diagrams. So far we talked about wiring diagrams. Now let's discuss SLD or single line diagram. Now sometimes guys, we might need a view on our electrical system, something like a general view. Something without many details, okay? And this would be where exactly we can use an SLD. Basically guys, in such diagrams, we would see several lines, horizontally and vertically, representing, for example, single-phased or even three-phased lines, okay? Now, take a look at this line up here, this, entrance line up here. This could, in fact, include, like, 3 or maybe even 4 electric power lines. Now, the same thing might go, for example, here. Well, I guess what I'm trying to say here is that the lines that you can see here in this diagram, in this SLD more precisely, might include several electrical lines, in fact. And by the way, guys, we actually got several electrical symbols as well. Like, for example, this symbol up here actually represents a breaker, a switch, okay? And also the same goes actually for this symbol. Then we have a symbol for the contactor, or even we have a symbol for protective elements, as you can see here. So guys, what we can get from all of this is the fact that in SLDs or single line diagrams, we actually have some specific electrical symbols, all right? And also, no matter how many lines we actually have, they would all be displayed as single lines. Now, let me show you another example on such diagrams. All right, here we go, guys. The SLD that you can currently see here is for starting a three-phase motor. Now, let's see what exactly we got. For example, up here, there's this main electrical current, or precisely a main path or a main flow here. And well, there are some further information up here, like for example, 3200 ampere for current. And then for the voltage, we have 415. And also it includes 3 lines, as you can see here. All right, guys, let me show you something regarding this current here. It might actually look like something like this. And well, guys, to explain this even further, there are some feeders here. And all of them are connected to some other elements and electrical equipments. Like, for example, to this breaker, to this switch, which, by the way, is in fact an MCCB switch. And then also there's a contactor here. What else? There's a transformer. And then measuring equipments, as well as protective equipments. On which we're actually going to have a discussion later on. Oh, and don't forget there's a CBCT transformer down here. So yeah, basically guys, for creating such diagrams, instead of drawing several lines, just stick with using a single line. Now, by the way guys, there are some graphical softwares that we can use for creating such diagrams. For example, we can use the ePlan software for creating SLD or single line diagrams quite easily.